Erlen naman, nagustuhan ko yung performance niya because I didn't expect it to be that song. Pero yung rendition niya was really full force, was powerful, and tago sa puso. Yun yung maganda, it was so sincere. Kumbaga, alam namin na gustong-gusto niya talagang manatili dito sa competition. Pero sa tingin ko, just like everybody, there were some performances na medyo mas angat pa and naging medyo stagnant na lang yung performance. Pero apart from that, I thought all of them performed really well.